kill somebody in this house. Is it my fault that I don't know how to cook? You go and see all these men in their rich homes. They will carry chef, if not one. If not, some even carry 3 chefs in their house to be cooking and taking care of everything. Walker, come and give me as if I'm a slave to the cooking. Not like he eats like a normal human being. He eats like a goat. And you still be looking for who to come and stay in the kitchen and cook burnt yam and burnt plantain and fried plantain for you. My dear, if you cannot get a chef, we will be managing the roadside canteen food that I have been buying. The day I have the strength to cook my body, I will cook it. If you want to purge, you purge. That is none of my business. Go outside and get a chef to come and cook for you. You did not marry me as a slave in this house. Oh, look. Yeah, wait. Hey!
Whatever you sow, you must reap it.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.